Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. And if you've been with me all this while, thank you for staying with me. Okay? Alright. This evening, I just want to show us one natural ingredient that we can use to increase our busts. Yes, as a woman. Irrespective of your age, irrespective of whatever, this is very effective. It has worked for a lot of people. It has worked for me, and in fact I don't even want it again. So I want to share this with you because this video is born out of popular request. People are requesting to know what they can use to increase their bust without going through plastic surgery. Okay, yes, because how some people say, do me maka kyauta riga ka dubi ta wuyansa. It means anybody that wants to dash blood, you should look at the person's neck. Yes, look at the one he's wearing. Okay, so when I'm advertising something to increase bust, I know what I am saying. Okay, so please don't ask me to supply you. I beg. Just look for it. Look for it, because please just look for it yourself. You can get it. This ingredient I want to show you guys, this natural remedy I want to show you, is something that you can find. Yes, a guy once, told me that he knows that divorce is compulsory. A divorce is a sin. But he see himself divorcing his wife in the future. He's talking about maybe 10 years from now, or 20 years from now, or 5 years from now. I said, why do you say so? He now said, because he is worried. He has been dating a girl for 3 years. And this girl, when he met her, she was small on the chest. And up till now, 3 years now, the woman, the girl is still the way she is, very small. And him, in their home, in their house, everybody is having that small thing, and he doesn't like it. So he wants his wife to have it plenty. So he knows that is the only thing that will make him to commit divorce in future. So what do I advise him to do? You see, these are different types of questions I get on daily basis. You understand? So I decided to okay, let me look around, let me search deeper. And I remembered, when we were kids growing up, you understand, we use this ingredient to, rub it around, your bust, rub it around your bust. You understand? Then you will see as the thing will just be pumping out. And even if you are young, you are young, or even if you are old, an old lady, or maybe you've given birth, force of gravity and child breastfeeding, can make it to shrink in or whatever. This also level it out. You understand? You don't need plastic surgery. Use this and you have bust enlargement, natural bust enlargement without plastic surgery. Use this. And what is this ingredient? This is the ingredient. This is white palm kernel oil. White. We have black palm kernel oil, we have red oil, but this one is the white one. It looks like vegetable oil. This is also gotten from palm tree, palm fruits. It is from the seed of the palm fruit. The process of processing this one is different. If you are a lady and your hair is not growing, add this to the conditioner, to condition your hair, then rinse it, or use this, line it under your hair. Your hair will come popping out. Yes. And your bust, if it has yielded to force of gravity, or is not as large as you want, this is very, very affordable. This white palm kernel oil is very, very affordable. You can get it. Okay, you can get this and you are good to go. Apply this on your bust every night. When you want to go to bed, just make sure you massage it in, and every night. And by the grace of God, you will see results. Yes. White palm kernel oil is very good for breast enlargement. Okay, so try it and God will give you testimony. Yes. Please keep smiling and have a wonderful evening. Bye.